Namaste everyone, this is Kumar Thapa from UAE. I'm from Nepal. Now I've been working here in UAE for last 10 years, and this is the evening time. Now I'm in Al Hilal city of Fujairah. Fujairah is a state of United Arab Emirates, UAE, and now it's 5 past at evening time, and now I'm in Al Hilal, somewhere in Al Hilal. Okay, this is, and as usual and every day I have been uploading new video on YouTube, and I pick a random one topic to talk that day, and I try to keep my idea on the topic. That's what I have been doing, and from the starting of this year, this is 2026, and this is the one video out of them. So today I'd like to talk about the development, and development is essential, and it's a very important thing for human being, and we have been developing, development makes our day-to-day life easy. That's why it's very important, and as human being we started to be civilized. Since then we have been trying to be manage our everything. We are trying to be more sophisticated day by day. Okay, so the development is essential. It's a very important thing, but what we must think about, and I would like to talk about is development should be planned. Okay, pre-planned. It should be planned, well planned, and we have to care about nature. In the name of development, we can't destroy the nature. Okay, if we disturb the nature and ecosystem, then nature will punish us one day, and that's why we have to develop things. Okay, we have to build infrastructure, we have to build our we have to make our day-to-day life easy. That's important, that's nice, but doing this all, we must care about other creatures as well, because the world is the common house for every creature, for every living beings, and for every animals, for every birds and everything. So we have been we always think about ourselves, humanity, ourselves, but we don't think about others. We have to think others too, because they are not they can't raise their voice, and they can't take their rights. So we have to care about other creatures too, because we human are the one of the most intelligent and one of the most social animal. So we have to care about other animals as well. If we did not care, if we don't care about other creatures, and they will suffer. Okay, they suffer a lot, and they can't survive, and one day that creature will be finished from this world. So we should not let them to die, to finish that species from this world. So we have to care about them. Now they say that we have finished many more. We have finished many more creatures, species from this world. Many years ago, during 100 years ago, we had a lot of species. Now we don't have that much. We have killed, we have finished that the whole community of that creature. We today we don't have that much, and now we have many more creatures. They are in endangered. Okay, they are about to finish. So we must care about them too, because love and compassion we all should have compassion and love towards other animals and other living beings. So we have to think about it, and have to uh, we have to develop the old, and as well as we have to care about other animals as well. So we can't do any I normal people like me can't do anything. I can just make this video and I can say something on it. So if anyone saw this video, watch this video, then they can know my ideas, and they will support me or not, and what will they think about it, I don't know. But and I think this way, we have to care about the other animals, other creatures as well. So this must be think in planning level, top level. Every country and every community and every state, they have to keep on these things. They have to keep on their mind during the planning phase. Okay, if you are planning about the city, about the residence area, and about the any type of structure you are trying to build over there, you must think about other creatures as well. You should not disturb them. So there are in the today's old, there we have many more organizations, they which have been talking about animal rights and other creatures' right, but voice is not sufficient and voice is not enough, and we all human must think about it, and we should support them, and we have to, this is our duty to take them together with us, and we have to let them to grow with us. We human have got a lot of things during this after the many years. We have got many more things, and especially when it finished the cognitive revolution, it's about 10,000 years ago, and after that, and when we got the especially, and the what do you industrial revolution in England. After that, we start to we start to use machines everywhere, and development could it possible to be in a very fast way, and okay, and we have been thinking about ours, and we have been making our day-to-day life easy, but we are not able to think about others. We human beings are being selfish day by day, and we are not thinking about others, and it sounds amazing, it sounds strange. We human we have been talking all the time about our rights, our duties, but we are not talking about other animals, and we human have a very much nice personality, and we say, okay, this man is very good, that man is very good, he thinks about us, all of us, and he wants to help us. That's what we think, but we are not not able to think from the animal side. Okay, even they have a even they must live. They have we must let them to live long life, and we must let them spread, and okay, and This is what this is what should have been, but it's not happening now. Okay, and okay, this is what I would like to say today. And if I get any other thing, I will talk about more in this video. And one of the most important thing is about the this mm, climate change. Because of human activities, climate change has a big impact on the earth and the globe. So we must care everything. We must save our environment, we must save forest, we must save land, and we have to let other creatures to live, so that they could live easily, they could spread easily. And that's what should be. And we have to create an ideal world, and for that we each and every human of this earth should think about them. And even human being also is not that much safe. Okay, even we human have a lot of problems. And today's world we are we have a very big difference between human. Okay, human to human, from one continent to another continent, from one country to another country. And we don't have same economic status, we don't have same educational status, and we all do not have same educational and health issue. We have a lot of problem within human. But despite that, because at least we have a voice, we can express our feelings, we can demand, we can speak out our voice, our ideas, but they can't. So voiceless animal and creatures should be respected, please. And try to understand it, and try to behave in the behalf of those animals and insects and other things, because they have they have a life. Okay, every life matters. And even they have a life, they have pain, they have joy, they have sorrow, they feel happy, they feel sad, they have feelings, life. So we must think about them too. So it's not easy, but it's not easy to do. You must have strong feeling on it, and only then you can do a little bit support, help on it. Otherwise we don't have even 1% in our mind that type of feeling. Okay, let's see this evening here. This is Al Hail City, and this is the 6 p.m. It's time. This is Al Hail City. It's under a mountain. These mountains are the parts of Al Hazar mountain series. Okay, and this all mountain will be removed from here. Big plant machineries are working like that. Look at that mountain. Still they are working over there. And big equipment are working, heavy equipments are working. But they are cutting this rock down. They will cut it one day, they will finish it. The heavy excavator and loading raw materials on dumper is almost 6 p.m. yet they are working, and this is one example. And almost every mountain have machines, and they are being cutting down. Okay, we can see much more from here. And this is for today, and I will talk about many other subjects in another video. For this time, bye, and take care of you all, and be happy, be healthy, be positive, and may all of you be happy, healthy, wealthy, and God bless you all. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.